In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart on Monday.com, perfect for beginners diving into 2025 project management tools. To begin, you need to set up your project board. If you haven't already, go ahead and open or create a new board. This could be anything from a project plan, a marketing campaign, or even a product launch. Once you have your board ready, add the tasks that you'll need to accomplish. These tasks, also referred to as items, should be categorized under groups like planning, in progress, and completed to give a clear structure to your project timeline. Next, we'll focus on adding the right columns to your board, which will be essential in constructing a functional Gantt chart. Start by ensuring you have the task name column, which is usually the default item column. You'll then need a date or timeline column to specify the start and end dates for each task. If your tasks are dependent on each other, it's a good idea to add a dependencies column so that changes to one task will automatically adjust subsequent tasks. To keep everything organized, include an owner column to assign team members responsible for each task, as well as a status column to track the progress of your tasks effectively. Once your board is set up with all the necessary information, it's time to add the Gantt view. Navigate to the top of your board and click on the plus Add View button. From the available options, select Gantt View. Next, choose the timeline or date column you set up earlier to align your tasks along the Gantt chart. For those with an interconnected task list, enabling dependencies will allow your task to adjust automatically whenever changes are made, ensuring that your project timeline remains accurate and up to date. After the Gantt view is added, feel free to customize your chart to better fit your needs. You can expand or collapse different groups within the chart so you can clearly see distinct phases of your project. Additionally, using color coding by status, owner, or priority can give you a quick visual cue of where tasks stand. To make adjustments on the fly, simply drag and drop tasks directly on the chart to adjust dates, making it a seamless process. Depending on your needs, you can zoom in or out to view days, weeks, or months, providing you with the level of detail you need. Finally, let's talk about sharing and collaborating using your newly crafted Gantt chart. Monday.com allows you to export your Gantt chart as an image or PDF, which you can use in your reports. Sharing your view with stakeholders is also streamlined, either by a direct link or through guest access. To enhance your project management experience, consider embedding the Gantt chart in a dashboard alongside other useful widgets like workload, progress, and budget. This creates a comprehensive overview of your project, making collaboration and communication with your team more effective than ever.